Hello, distinguished friends and customers. Nice to meet you. My name is Jackson, the Overseas Sales Manager of Joaboa Tech Group. Today, I'm going to introduce you about one of our other core systems called a Decoration and Energy-Saving Integration System designed for the external wall, which has combined decorative surface layer and thermal insulation layer together. For this presentation, I will focus on the explanation of aluminum surface decoration and energy-saving integration system. My PowerPoint will be classified into 5 parts. The first part will be a simple analysis of the traditional external wall system. The second part will be the material introduction of aluminum surface decoration and energy-saving integration panel. In the third part, there will be the explanation of application methods. In the first part, we will analyze the advantages of and the characteristics of Joaboa Tech's aluminum surface external wall system together with the landmark projects that have used it. In the final part, I will give simple introduction of the other 2 kinds of external wall system. So in the first part, we will stand from an objective angle to analyze the problems of the traditional external wall system, the coating plastering system, and the curtain wall system. For the coating plastering system, it is a traditional system that is widely used in the market, but coating layer itself has poor water resistance. The durability of best coating is only 10 years. Generally only 3 to 5 years or even shorter. Because this system is made of many structural layers, it is common to have cracking on the surface that was shown in the picture. Once the surface layer is cracked, the system will absorb in and seep in water, and then the bonding failure will occur, resulting in safety problems like the debonding between the decorative facing layer and the structural layer. These accidents happen very often these days, as you may see in those pictures. And the aluminum panel curtain wall system is a high-end external wall system. However, the decorative facing layer has poor stain resistance, easy to get vertical flow pollution, which will affect the building appearance. And the system directly connected to the external wall by metal components, which will seriously affect the energy-saving effect. Most importantly, for the reason there is no supporting material below the aluminum panel, the panel itself is easy to have dimensional changes, thus to affect the system decorative function. And for the stone curtain wall system, it is widely used. Same as aluminum curtain wall, there is no supporting material below the stone panel. As you can see in the pictures, it has poor impact resistance, easy to be broken. Moreover, the glue used for the hanging of stone panels is of low anti-aging performance, which will cause terrible safety accidents like the falling of stone panels. The metal components in the system are directly applied to the external wall, which will also affect the energy-saving effect. Compared with the above systems, glass curtain wall system is quite unique because it is transparent. Many buildings that go after modern decorative effects will use this system like CBD area. But for the glass curtain wall system, there is an uncertain, undetectable problem like self-explosion, which affects the security of the system. Besides, the glass and the structure of the surface layer are bonded with structural adhesive. The bonding strength of the adhesive will gradually decrease under the influence of glass gravity and wind pressure. For example, a typhoon last year in China caused the falling of many glass panels, which directly affected the system security. For safety reasons, many regions in China have begun to restrict and ban the use of glass curtain wall system. To make a summary of the problems that have existed in these traditional systems mentioned, for coating plastering system, the coating has poor weather resistance, and the surface layer is easy to crack. The system has many structural layers, poor compatibility, and the failure of bonding leads to the structural loss of the system. For aluminum panel curtain wall system, there will be cavity structure in the middle without the supporting materials. Aluminum panel is easy to deform. Also, aluminum panel has poor stain resistance and easy to get vertical flow pollution. For storm curtain wall system, the facing layer is poor in impact resistance, and the stone is easy to break and fall off. For glass curtain wall system, there will be self-explosion, falling off from the external wall, etc. So, after a brief analysis, we summarize some key points that the external wall system needs to solve, including decoration, energy saving, fireproof, safety, construction period, and cost effective. So regarding decoration, the system should reflect the beautiful decorative effect. And regarding the energy saving, the system should make good use of electricity power. Fireproof, the system should be fireproof, right? So it means it to be safe. Safety includes material safety, construction safety, and overall system safety. For construction period, so whether the system is simple and convenient to apply on the construction site, it really matters, right? And also cost effective. So for the customer, the system should show good value for money. Then we will combine these key points to introduce Joaboa Tech's aluminum panel decoration and energy saving integration system. So for the second part, based on the different facing material, the panels used can mainly be classified into three types: aluminum surface, stone surface, ceramic surface decoration, and energy saving integration panel. In the second part, I will mainly introduce about aluminum surface decoration and energy saving integration panel. In short, aluminum Joaboa panel. So, as you can see, the aluminum surface rock wool decoration and energy saving integration panels uses fluorocarbon roller coating aluminum coin as decorative surface, rock wool as insulation core material, and glass fiber reinforced cement-based membrane as the backing layer, produced by hot pressing technology. The thickness of aluminum panel on the facing layer is from 0.8 mm to 1 mm. There are thumb and groove structure at both ends of the panel, so it is very convenient for the application. And first of all, there's a question here. So what is the unique technology of Joaboa Tech's aluminum surface decoration and energy saving integration system, which can greatly enhance the decorative effect? The aluminum panel used in the traditional aluminum curtain wall system adopts the fluorocarbon spraying process. The raw materials used in Joaboa Tech's aluminum surface external wall system is aluminum coil, and the surface is treated with fluorocarbon roller coating process. Both processes require baking at a high temperature higher than 200 degrees. However, the traditional aluminum must be folded first, and then the spraying and baking process is performed after the adding of steel corners. After being folded, the aluminum panel is unevenly heated. Its flatness and glossiness will not be at the same level as aluminum coil used for carbon roller coating process. Besides, by the spraying process, the direction of coating is vertical to the surface of aluminum panel, but by roller coating process, the direction of coating is parallel to the surface of aluminum coil. The hardness and self-cleaning property of fluorocarbon coating applied and the ladder process will be greatly improved. This is why the decorative effect of Joaboa Tech's aluminum surface external wall system is more beautiful than that of traditional aluminum curtain wall. Currently, some suppliers will use cheap polyester paint instead of fluorocarbon paint when producing their aluminum panels. Here is a test to compare the difference in weatherability between the aluminum panels with polyester paint and fluorocarbon paint. The test selected 2 sets of aluminum panel samples of the same color. The second and the first samples are coated with fluorocarbon paint. So after 10 years of direct sun exposure in Florida, which is famous for its sunshine, the polyester paint showed obvious fading and caulking. But the fluorocarbon paint was still as perfect as new. So the 10-year sun exposure intensity in Florida is at least the equivalent to 40 years of sun exposure in other regions. Therefore, it can prove that the excellent weather resistance of the fluorocarbon paint ensures it will not fade or powder for 40 years. So in addition to the excellent performance of fluorocarbon paint, there will also be a layer of lead coating on aluminum Joaboa panel. With the cooperation of PPG company, the lead coating has superior hydrophobicity, and a small amount of stain on the facing layer can be effectively washed away by rainwater, thus to effectively improve the system's stain resistance. So loaded to watch for 6 years. Then, let's look at the sizes of aluminum Joaboa panel. The weight this provided is 400mm, 500mm, 600mm, and 900mm. The thickness can be chosen from 25mm to 100mm. According to the energy conservation required in the project, the length can be set to meet the demand of the design. Compared with traditional aluminum panels, Joaboa panels are more selectable. And regarding the color of the decorative facing layer can be selected from 2 categories: solid color and imitation stone color. The color can be completely customized. That means we can turn the designer's imagination into reality, even the color doesn't exist in the nature. So here is a contrast. The top one is real stone, and the bottom is aluminum panel. So you really cannot distinguish them unless you touch them, right? So we are using rock wool as the cone insulation material in our Joaboa panel. Rock wool is a kind of Glass A, that means non-burning fireproof material with excellent thermal insulation properties. The water repellent rate of rock wool is a lot less than 98%. We use rock wool whose raw material is placed vertically, not horizontally, so the compressive strength and tensile strength is highly enhanced, which is conducive to increase the stability of the panel itself. The backing material is a layer of glass fiber reinforced cement-based membrane, which is made of cement and rubber powder as the base material, composite with glass fiber. There will be no need of substrate treatment, and it can enhance the adhesion between the panels and the substrate of external wall. Joaboa Tech introduced the production equipment of sandwich panel supplied by SAP from Italy, with complete functions and advanced technology. By utilizing polyurethane's micropolymers infiltration foaming performance, the panel insulation cone material backing material can be composited together with hot pressing process in automatic production lines, thus to ensure the product quality and high production efficiency.